Hi everyone, this is Nima from clickship. Just doing a video on our lightning to USB cable. As you can see, it's plugged into my computer. That's the cable. Now the end of it is similar to the Apple one, a little bit longer. If I can get it to focus on the right point, that'd be great. Alright, there we go. So it's square, as you can see, still reversible. And I'm just going to show you, plugged into my wife's iPhone. That it is charging, and that we are just updated to the latest 6.1. So that's 6.1. And if I show you on the computer, it's just come up with the internal storage, which gives you access to the camera. And so I'm just quickly going to close iTunes to show you in a second. Let's go here. Alright, and I just grabbed this 7 meg movie so you can see it do the data transfer. It's as quick as that. Very quick. That's data transfer. And I just open iTunes. It's just asking me for my iTunes password, so ignore that. And you can see the phone is connected. It is running the latest 6.1, and if I just click sync, it sync the phone. Alright, so that's Nima from clickship with lightning to USB cable. Bye bye.